Hey, what's up there crew? Matt here with TRW. So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how to make some cool looking 3D type stickers with your Silhouette Cameo cutter and the pink craft press using our Bling Anything material. So when making these stickers, the big factor here is we're using heat transfer vinyl. We're going to use our Siser Brick heat transfer vinyl, two colors, layer them together, turn them into a sticker with an adhesive, and that's where our Bling Anything material comes in. So the three main materials we'll be using here, we have our white brick heat transfer vinyl, shirt vinyl, making a sticker, our navy blue brick heat transfer vinyl, and then our Bling Anything material. So first thing we need to do, get to our designer edition or business edition software for the Silhouette cutter, send it over to the cutter, and the blade we're going to be using today is our CB09. Basically our Graph Tech blade within the Cameo with one of the TRW clean cut blades that's going to give it that perfect cut even on this thicker brick material. Okay, so one of the first things we want to do is we want to load our Silhouette Cameo here with the material. So I'm going to grab our navy blue brick, and then I have my Graph Tech blade in here. You can see here, which is really easy to adjust. We're going to put this into our Silhouette Cameo here, lock that down, and let's get this material loaded. I'm going to hit load. Material's loaded, and we're good to go. So let's head over to the actual software for the Silhouette Cameo and get this job sent over. Alright, so I'm over here in my Silhouette Studio Business Edition software. It doesn't have to be the Business Edition. I'm just using an SVG file here. This is my first cut, which is the navy blue. We have it set to our cut lines there, and then I have an actual, don't worry about your pressure here because we're adjusting that now with the Graph Tech blade holder. So this doesn't really matter. That's not going to adjust. But I have a speed of 7 and a force of 33 for our thicker brick material. So let's go ahead and hit send. Alright, so our job's complete. Let's go ahead and hit unload, bring my material out. Now, a lot of people have issues when it comes to weeding the brick heat transfer vinyl. Check this out. Look how easy that is. And even to get my inside cavities, I'm not going to weed them all right now, but just to give you an idea of how nice this looks. And the big difference is with that clean cut blade, that Graph Tech blade. But even these little inside cavities on this thick material with your Silhouette Cameo, look how awesome that weeded right there. Pretty sweet, huh? So I'm going to load my white brick material in now. That looks good there. Let's go ahead and load that in. And let's head over to the software and get the white part of this actual design cut. Alright, so I'm back over here in the Business Edition software. I'm just going to take that cut, move it off of my workspace, bring this cut over here. That looks good to go there. And then I'm going to come over to send. Let's go ahead and set my cut lines there. That looks good to go. And then we're just going to down here hit send to cutter. Alright, job's complete. Let's hit unload, bring that material out, and again, watch how easy the weeding process is. And how clean those cuts are, even with our Silhouette Cameo cut. So remember, this material is the Siser Brick heat transfer vinyl. It's made to go on t-shirts. I'm actually wearing the brick on the shirt that I'm wearing right now. However, we're going to turn this into a layered 3D looking sticker to go onto a computer laptop or a coffee mug or a tumbler or whatever you want. Alright, now to make this decal, we're actually just going to use our pink craft press here. So we have the size of my decal. I'm going to cut the Bling Anything material just to be a little bit larger than the actual sticker that I'm making. So you can see my Bling Anything material is a little bit larger. there's a shiny side and a dull side. We're gonna press it to the shiny side here. All right, so I wanna use my protective cover sheet here. So shiny side up, I'm gonna throw this white down, and then I'm just going to cover over it. And I'm gonna go down for about 5 to 7 seconds for that first press, just because that brick material is a little bit thicker. Peel that off there, and then I'm gonna come back and line up my blue. That looks good there. And it's a circle, so it doesn't really matter as far as if it's angled at all. And then I'm gonna come down for about 6 seconds on this one as well. That should be good there. Now, the brick heat transfer vinyl is a cold peel. However, when you're doing it on the Bling Anything material, you can get away with it a little bit sooner. So just slowly peel it off here, and then we have ourselves basically a 3D sticker now. So all I want to do once I have this is I'm just going to trim right around to the edge of this. And there we go. We have ourselves a 3D sticker. What's cool about it is if you can see in the video here how it's got that rubber kind of feel to it, but that 3D look, which is awesome. All right, now when it comes to applying this thing, really easy. Just peel off the backing. You have your adhesive now, and then I am just going to customize this into a TRW computer. So now it has that awesome 3D look to it. Feels that 3D look with that rubber feel of the brick heat transfer vinyl into a sticker, and that will last until I decide to take it off. Alright, so that's it. Hopefully this video helps you out on making a 3D type sticker with the heat transfer vinyl with your Silhouette Cameo cutter and the pink craft press. So just an idea of some different things you can do with your vinyl cutter with heat transfer vinyl. But again, the key feature that I used here is the Bling Anything material. And just for watching this video, your next order on the website, use the coupon code right there for 10% off Bling Anything material. It's a one-time use, so make sure to use it when you stock up. Bling Anything material 10% off just for making it through this video. So thanks for watching, guys. Of course, make sure to click that like button, click that subscribe button and a little bell right next to it for all types of vinyl cutter and heat press and t-shirt and decal videos to help grow your business. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Later.